Hello creators. Okay, so this month's challenge or this month's competition for you is to set up your YouTube channel correctly. Basically, all we ask is that you set up your channel properly and then send us the link to your channel before the end of play on the 18th of July. And then on the 19th of July, when we have our next creators meeting from 3 o'clock, we will announce the winner, who will win 2 hours of free editing from ourselves. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take you through very quickly what you need to look at and focus on for a good YouTube channel. So I'm just going to go through what makes a good channel. But the first thing to remember is when we're doing our channel, it's not just to talk to or communicate with people. Basically, most of the time when people go to YouTube, they type youtube.com in and they get that. They get presented with stuff, okay? And basically, our channel will rarely get visited. But at the end of the day, what we are doing is we're communicating with Google. We're saying, look, this is what our channel is about. This is what we do. So what makes a good channel? Well, it needs to have a good channel art. It needs to have links to your social media and your website. It needs to have a good handle. When you're doing your handle, remember, you're not focusing on the name of your channel. Now, I've called this The Business Channel, at The Business Channel, because really that's what suits it. But if I'm a plumber, I want at Plumbing Services. I want at Fix Your Drain or whatever. Yeah, think about what you do when you're doing your handle. Have a featured video. Have a returning subscriber video. Okay, so there's 2 different elements there. You can find all of this in the course. Don't forget the course is there. Then you need to have your ribbons. If you've got content, these are worth doing. If you haven't got content, then obviously you can leave these at the moment. You want to focus on things like the about, because quite simply, this talks to Google. This tells Google what you do. Then you've got your email address, and links are there as well. Okay? When you do your videos, make sure that at the end of the day, you signpost them correctly. Yeah? So let's have a look at this one. I'm just going to pause it. I'm not going to look at it. In the description, I've put, so the title of my video is Why Businesses Should Use YouTube Even If Your Audience Are Not On It. And then in the description, here are 3 reasons all businesses should be using YouTube. It's talking to Google. Did you know that the first 160 characters in this part here comes up in a Google search? So make sure that you basically do it right. Okay, set up your channel and get it right. So that's it. All you have to do is set up your channel correctly and then send us the link to your channel, and then what we'll do is we will judge that and announce the winner on the creators meeting on the 19th of July. And yeah, if you've got any questions, don't forget we've got the course there as well. You can do the course as well. It's there, it's available. All right, we'll catch you later. Bye bye.